guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today we are going to do the reading for the zodiac sign Capricorn. So Capricorn can be in your sun sign, moon sign or rising sign, or you can see as a cross watcher, maybe your person, your spouse, a partner or your friend or family member can be a Capricorn person. So you just want to know what is happening in their life. That is also like cross watching. So let us start with the Capricorn reading today. This is for coming week, like May 13th to 19th. So we will see what energies are coming in career, in love, in finance, in romance. We will see all the details. Okay. So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers, subscribers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Press the bell symbol to know more notifications regarding my new videos. Don't forget to comment if my reading is resonated. If it did not resonate, please check my other readings. Please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everyone. I request you all to let me know what type of reading you want next. If you want personal readings, please check my the description box given below for more details. Okay, so let's start today's reading. Capricorn. Spirit guides, angels, please give us some clarity. What is happening in Capricorn's life for this week? Please give us some clarity. What will happen in Capricorn people's life? What will happen in Capricorn's people's life? Please give us some clarity. Please give us some guidance. Please tell us what is happening in Capricorn's life for this 1 week. What will happen in their life, their career, their finance, their romance, life. So what will happen in their life? Please tell me, please let me know. Wow, very nice cards. Okay. Nice. So for Capricorn, we will see the energies for career, finance, then even education, anything what cards are saying, we will see. So 9 is very prominent here, even 10 is there, very nice. So you have a very good cards. Page of Cups is there, Ace of Cups is there. Okay. So in the past, in your career, you have some arguments and so much competition in your career workplace. So you wanted a promotion or a position. For that, other people also are fighting. Like they also want the same like you. Then you are a very stable, strong and very attractive, charming person, and definitely your work people also, they want to invest in you, and they have given you an offer, which is Page of Cups. They have given you some nice offer, promotion. One project came to you, maybe it might be business also, or it might be in your workplace also. You got a nice offer after all these fightings, friends and colleagues, and so many disagreements, arguments, so many politics in the workplace. Now people, the job company people give you a nice offer, nice project, and nice go ahead, like that they have given you a chance. Then you started working on yourself, then you started working on that project, then you are completely concentrating on the money, finance, and you are enjoying in your life. You were enjoying, concentrating on that project. Then it is at the moment your project or career, it is about to complete the wish fulfillment. Whatever you wanted to have in your life, this is coming as 9 of Cups. It is definitely it is fulfilling, and you have lot of hopes at the moment also. in this lockdown period also you have got a very good news and all. Then Queen of Swords, with that energy, with that power, you want to charge, take a charge, and you want to have a nice start of this project. Then this is a kind of a proud moment or victory kind of a thing. You have done your job very well, so your company people are also appreciating. You feel very proud of yourself, and you wanted to show off your courage, and you want to show off your power and capability to others. Then you are having a nice time. 10 of Pentacles, it is completed. 9 is here, 10 is here. It is complete. Your wish is completed, fulfilled, and you are enjoying your life with family. Then you might be having a pet as a dog also. You might be having dog. Then right now you are enjoying with your family. Then having nice time and no fear of money at all. Like you have lot of money and sudden gain in money, finance and all. Maybe you got the promotion, maybe they gave you sudden increment or something, hike or something, so you are very happy, enjoying with your family. So in future, like in this 1 week, what happens was you are very possessive about your money. So you are thinking you want to keep all the money yourself. You are searching for options to like invest. So you are searching for options to invest your money, and you want to invest in a right place, right position, but you are very possessive. You don't know what to do, where to invest, where to put. Oh my god, if I invest my money in this, I might get a loss. So you are thinking so much, you are deeply thinking about your money. This all Capricorn spread is all about your money only. Then Ace of Cups, this is very positive card. Some new beginnings are coming in your life regarding the career or finance. Maybe after the completion of this project, maybe they have offered you some other new project, maybe some other abroad chance is coming. Then you heard the news, you will hear the news in this week. So of new beginnings, new chance, new project. Okay. Then you are like hallucinating, like you are daydreaming. You have so many options here, so you don't know what to choose. You are not able to sleep also. You are thinking about constantly about this, what to choose, which option to choose. Maybe you have lot of new options to proceed ahead, so you are thinking a lot, like which option to choose. 7 of Cups means you have 7 more options, and you are confused what to choose. I will buy this, then you have all the pentacles with you. Then you want to buy a new house or a car or somewhere you want to go for a vacation after this lockdown ends. So many possibilities are there. You are completely, your brain is occupied with the daydreaming. You are dreaming about the places you want to visit. You are dreaming about future. It's a very nice positive energy, Capricorn. Then we will see for love and romance. Okay. Then in the love and romance, you might be dealing with strongly with another earth sign. Okay. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So you are Capricorn, you might be dealing with another Capricorn or Virgo or Taurus. Then also you have strongly that Cups are there, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so you might be dealing either with the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Very small amount of people might be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Very small amount of people might be dealing. But most of the people, they are dealing with earth signs and water signs. Okay, let us see what else I can see from this reading. Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords, it is again Aquarius. Okay, so you might be dealing with Aquarius. Then what else I can see? That's all. Okay, you might be dealing with all these signs: Aquarius, then Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, these are the main zodiac signs I can see in this spread. So what happened in the past was you had a lot of gossips, discussions with friends regarding this love connections. Your friends are saying so many things, don't give this person a chance, or you might be having so much competition about this person whom you are dealing with. Okay, so you have other, so many people are behind that person whom you are dealing with. You are also in love with that person. So what happened was that person chose you finally. That person gave you a cup of love. Then some communication came to you, which you were very happy with that, and you had a nice love confession. Then exchanging your love feelings towards each other. Then you were very happy. You were in dreamland. You are happily enjoying your life, concentrating on your beauty, then your body, then health, and also you have lot of pentacles to take care. You are nicely taking care of the you can see the grapes here, you can see the pentacles here. You are taking care of your money also. You are taking care of your own health and all. You are very peaceful, stable, because what you want, you got it already. You want this love, the person is giving you love. So what else you want? So in the present moment you are waiting for the completion. So it is kind of a wish fulfillment card. So you are very happy that what I want, I got it. I wanted love from this person. I got the page of cups. Then you are very strong in your position. Then very strongly you are like planning for your future. You want to charge ahead. Okay, I got this love. Now what next? So next, should we engage? Should we marry? You are very fast movement. You want to move towards this fulfillment. 10 of Pentacles. So you are turning this side and you want to take charge of this. You want to have a family with this person. You want to have children. You want to have pet also with this person. You are very much positive about this connection. Very nice. And also in this 1 week, maybe you are very much possessive about your person. You are thinking that that person is now posting some photos in the social media or some status that person is updating. You are very possessive. No other person should see my fiance's photos and all. You are very possessive. You want that person. You are very protective of that person. You want to have that person in your life like that. You are very, very possessive in this 1 week. Then Ace of Cups. Your heart and their hearts also is filled with cup of love, overflowing love here. You can see, so overflowing love. Then also for some people, some new love connection might come in this 1 week. So you have so many options here now. In the next week, you will have a lot to think. So I have this person also. I have so much love for this person. Then another person might offer you a cup of love. Then you have another communication also. So another person is also coming towards you and offering the cup of love. New beginnings, new starts, new relationship, new connection. Okay. So you are daydreaming. You are like hallucinating. What is happening in my life? So lucky I am. I have so many options. What to choose? Okay, if I choose this person, how will be my future? Okay, we will go there. We will go here. We will be in this bungalow. We will buy a car. So many things are happening in your mind. So this week you will be very busy thinking. So nothing is coming to reality. This is all in your head. Okay. So you are completely planning. You are daydreaming. Okay. So this is what I can see the energy. Overall, it is very, very happy reading. Very nice reading. I can see lot of finance, lot of money, lot of love. I can see money and love. What else you want as a human being? So it's very, very nice, positive reading, Capricorn. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, friends. Then see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye.